Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Today I'm going to be showing you a very simple and easy macaroon recipe with cashew nuts which I had learnt in college. It's super yummy and it's very easy to make, and the kids and my family members love it. I make them quite often and they're very tasty. So let's get started. Macaroons, we will be using sugar, egg whites, cashew nuts which I have chopped, a pinch of salt and vanilla essence. We will take the egg whites and start beating it up because we'll be making a meringue. Once the egg white has gotten a little frothy, we will slowly start adding the sugar in 2 turns. We'll put half of the sugar and beat it. Then put the other half. And continue beating till it is a nice and fine meringue. While it is still glossy, we will add in the vanilla essence and the pinch of salt and continue beating it till it's a nice stiff meringue. Has been beaten and it is ready. You know, the best way to check it if it is ready is you turn the bowl upside down, and if it doesn't fall means the meringue is ready. So this meringue is ready. To this we will add the cashew nuts and gently just fold it into the whole meringue. Once this has folded, I will be making a piping bag using this nozzle. Use the big faced one so that the cashews do not get stuck into the opening. So we'll be making a piping bag with this and putting this the filling into that. We have made the bag and we will be piping these in this way. Once these all have been piped, we will be putting them into a preheated 120-degree oven. These will bake for about 50 minutes to an hour till you touch it and they are set. If you keep the oven on a higher heat, they will turn slightly golden brown. So on a low temperature for a longer time, we need to dry these out to enjoy these yummy treats. And cashew macaroons are ready and baked. They are smelling divine and they taste excellent. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज।